Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm fine too.
Which class do we have first?
We have math.
Oh no, math is difficult.
Don't worry, the teacher explains well. What is your favorite subject?
I love science. What about you?
I like English.
English is interesting.
What is your favorite teacher?
I like history teacher
Why?
because he makes lessons fun.
Did you take notes in today's class?
Yes, I did. Do you need them?
Yes, I missed some point.
No problem. I will share them.
Did you finish your homework?
Not yet. I will do it tonight.
The science homework it difficult.
Yes, but we can do it together.
What's for lunch today? I brought a sandwich. What's about you? I have rice and chicken.
That sounds delicious.
Are you ready for the exam?
I am still studying.
What subject is difficult for you?
Math is hard for me.
Are you excited about the school trip?
Yes, where are we going?
We are going to the zoo.
That sounds fun.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football. What about you?
I play basketball.
That's great.
Do you go to the library often?
Yes, I go there to study.
Do you borrow books?
Yes, I love reading.
What do you want to do after school?
I want to be a doctor.
That's amazing.
Yes, I love helping people.
What time does school start?
It starts at 8 a.m.
What time does it end?
At 3 p.m.
Do you want to study together?
Yes, we can meet in the library.
What time?
Let's meet at 4 p.m.
It was nice talking to you.
Yes, see you tomorrow.
See you. Bye.
Bye.